What's good, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Queen Lika. I'm back again with another video. Hope you guys are doing fine. How is your December going? Mine is just okay, just like a normal month. So guys, today is a Thursday. I'm actually on my way to work. Guys. And I am on Chikwa Lane. This is Chikwa Lane. Yeah, I'm heading to the High Court roundabout. So today is my workmate's birthday. Yeah, she's a very sweet girl, special girl, Miss Dimples. I call her Miss Dimples. Yeah. They want to bash each other. Sorry, my car is super dirty. So yeah. So it's her birthday. I got her a present already. It's somewhere at the back, in the back, and I'm gonna buy her. That vehicle is really doing air pollution. So I'm buying her a muffin. I'm going to buy her a muffin from my favorite breakfast place. That's a Vita Cafe, and then I'm gonna buy her flowers as well. So yeah. Do you know this place? This is the High Court of Zambia. The High Court. So let's roll the intro and let's get into it. So guys, if you have a friend, like me, and it's their birthday, what can you buy for them? I love bags. I love small bags, and I thought, and whenever I carry a bag, she's like, "Oh my God, your bag." So I got her. Oh, I just gave you a hint. So I bought her that for her birthday. I hope she's gonna love it. I only hope she's gonna love it. Love it. Yeah. So I decided to buy her a bag because, like, whenever I'm talking about bags, she's like, "Oh, like your bag." So I got her a bag. It's somewhere there, that side, like just in the back. So let me know. Leave a comment below. What would you buy for your best friend? I know I can't buy her a car because I don't have money. But anyway, we are growing, and we're gonna make a lot of money, and we're gonna buy cars. Okay, we'll be gifting people cars. Like okay, yeah. So I am by Zikta. That's Zikta on my left, and on my right they're just government offices. Yeah. So let's go, and I am so happy. I'm super happy. This is like a special person. Okay, so I'm super happy to gift her whatever gifts I have. Okay, and I know she's already at work because this is 8:06 and I am running late. So yeah. morning.
Hey, stranger.
I'm around. Yes.
Bali tapo macchiato na mulher com chocolate. Na ina na fresh cream smoothie. Tapo macchiato mucho hot chocolate.
Guys, so I just left Vida. I got her a muffin and I am now heading to Melissa to get her flowers. But there's my food in here as well. Oh my god, we are bathing, okay? We are glowing, okay? Yeah. So I am so late. I'm gonna be awake by 9, but it's okay. It's all good. So long I show up, there's no problem. And so long they're not calling me, there's no problem. No missed call, no nothing. And that's my beautiful sister there. Sister, my sister. So yeah, we are going. Let me drive. So I am actually by Melissa now. I'm gonna park right there so that because I have my PC in the car, so that these guys shouldn't steal from me. Okay, I'm gonna get these, and I found her favorite. These are like her favorite, guys. I don't know if I could get these or these, but she loves sunflowers, so I think these are perfect. I'm just gonna pay, and then we go. Guys, so I'm actually downstairs at work. I just called the office assistant to come and help me carry my bags, and yeah. So here are the flowers. She's in love with flowers. I know she's gonna she's gonna cry. I know, I really didn't want to make her cry, but she's a special girl and we do special things for special people. So yeah. Guys, the birthday is not here, but once she's here, she's gonna find her presents and the flowers. Oh my god, she's gonna cry. So yeah, that's actually another good thing because I'll capture her entering and she'll enter there. There's Mr. Jerry. Mr. Jerry, me and Mr. Osborne. Osborne, say hi. Osborne. So we are going to sing. Yeah. She's saying she's almost here. So let me just settle down and then, yeah. Oh my god. Guys, she's got... Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear baby girl. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? No, don't tell them. How old are you now? Osborne Kazimbari. How old are you now? Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! Woo! Congratulations. You have seen the glory of God. Your ass is going on YouTube.
Oh my god, this is so cute.
It's cute. It's cute. You're making juice for her.
What flavor do you want?
There's only orange, guys.
Anything you get to, anything you want to get to.
A foot massage. You become a masseuse. That's anything for you. It's your birthday.
Back to normal settings.
Tomorrow, even send her to go buy him at the roundabout.
Because I'm money.
Hey, guys. Drink.
Just go if you need something.
I know, right? It's just today. Tomorrow, back to default settings.